Wells Lucas, owner of the Wells Luxury Group, a premier concierge agency where our clients are television production companies, entertainers, athletes, and business professionals. I want to welcome you to our Take One event. It's an private invitation for everyone in the television and film industry. I wish you were here.
It's my first Take One event. Oh my gosh, the people, the food, the location, it is absolutely wonderful. This is the place to be.
It's fantastic. Lots of networking, lots of great people. It's been good.
I think the event is fabulous. I'm having an amazing time. I'm networking, I'm meeting people, I'm checking out cute men. This is the place to be. Like on a Thursday night in Buckhead, this is where you come, right? Yes, I love it.
We hope you've enjoyed another luxury lifestyle event here with the Wells Luxury Group. Now until next time, I'm Adrienne Wells Lucas, and I look forward to hosting you again at our next Take One industry event. Remember, luxury, lifestyle, and you. Visit us online, thewellsluxurygroup.com. Follow us on Instagram at Wells Luxury Group, on Facebook at The Wells Luxury Group, and of course follow us on Twitter at Wells Luxury.